The balloon wasn't just a balloon. It seemed alive, as if something up there was waiting for it. The child held the string with tiny fingers, not for play, but with certainty, a certainty untouched by the world. The mother held the child's hand, firm but gentle. Mothers' hands are like roots. They hold because they have seen storms. They have seen falls. They have seen how wind can take dreams away. But the child had not seen the storm. He only saw the sky. A sky that whispered, "Come, rise above your fears." The balloon pulled. The mother held. In this tug of war, something strange appeared. Growth. Neither was the enemy. The mother didn't want to imprison. She wanted to protect the child's fragile dream. And the child didn't want to escape. He wanted to test if he could touch flight. The string was thin. Thin as the line between dependence and independence. Thin as the moment when a no can stop a future and a go can create a whole new world.